Hi traders! In this video, I'll share one of the simplest yet very effective price action patterns. With just 3 candles, it can show you where a big price move might start. This pattern works across different markets, like cryptocurrency and forex, and the best part is it doesn't need indicators, just your chart, a bit of thinking, and some practice. Let's get started. What is the triple bar pattern? Let's break it down. This pattern uses 3 candles. First candle, the push. It's a big candle, much larger than the ones before, showing that either buyers or sellers have stepped in with strong force. Second candle, the pullback. It's a smaller candle in the opposite color. A good tip is to keep it under half the size of the first candle's body. This is just a short break, not a turnaround, letting the market catch its breath after the push. Third candle, the confirmation. It goes back in the direction of the push and closes past the pullback candle's edge. It should be at least twice the size of the pullback. This is your chance to join the trend early, instead of chasing it later. That's the setup. This is often where the market starts a new move. How does this pattern work? Let's look at an example. You see a big green candle, it's a clear upward push. Then a small red candle that doesn't even cover half the green one's body. After that, another green candle closes above the red one. What does this tell you? Buyers are still in control and pushing higher. That's your signal to enter a long trade. Set your stop loss just below the low of the pullback candle. Aim for the next key level or use a risk-reward ratio, like 1:3. It works the same for short trades. Imagine a big red candle, a small green one, then another red candle breaking the low. This means sellers are leading, and the market might drop. Enter when the third candle closes. Place your stop above the pullback candle's high. Target the next level or follow your risk plan. Why you waste time trying to grow a small account? With HashHedge, you can trade with real capital up to $100,000. It's simple, take the challenge, prove your trading skills, and get funded for real. Keep up to 90% of the profits. You don't need bigger profits, you need bigger capital. All the details are in the description below. Why does this work? Markets don't move in a straight line, they surge, pause, and then keep going. This pattern catches that flow. A strong surge starts it. A quick pause follows. Then confirmation shows the surge was real. If you can spot this, you'll catch moves early instead of running after a market that's already moved. But remember, the 3 candles are just the shape. You need to check the bigger picture, not just trade the picture alone. Common mistakes. Mistake number 1, looking for this pattern where it doesn't fit. The first candle needs a big body, compare it to the candles before to be sure. Mistake number 2, trying this in a sideways market. If the price is stuck in a tight range with candles bouncing around one area, skip it. That's just noise, not a strong move. Want to improve your entries? Try these filters. Filter number 1, trend check. Use a 50-period exponential moving average. If the price is above it, look for buy trades only. If below, focus on sell trades. This keeps you aligned with the trend. Filter number 2, key levels. If the pattern shows up at support or resistance, especially if those levels worked before, it's a stronger signal. For example, if the price hits a level, forms the 3 candle setup, and moves, it's a solid combo. Filter number 3, breakout boost. When the market breaks out of a flat period, a move starts. If you see this pattern during that breakout, it's a great spot to enter as the action picks up. Which timeframes to use? On bigger timeframes like 4-hour or daily, these patterns are rarer but more reliable. On smaller timeframes, you'll see more setups, but noise can throw you off. The best approach, use a bigger timeframe to get the overall view and levels, then switch to a smaller one to time your entry on the third candle. Summary: the triple bar pattern gives you clear steps, from push to pullback then confirmation. Simplicity, no extra tools, works on any chart. Flexibility, add filters and levels to make it better. Control, know your entry, stop, and target ahead of time. If you're tired of guessing where the market's going, start watching for this structure. When you see those 3 candles in the right spot, you'll know what to do. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.